Sigmaringen is a small town on the banks of the upper Danube River in southern Germany. The town is a worthwhile stop for everyone exploring the upper Danube region. It has become a cultural and historic landmark in the middle of the state of Baden-Württemberg. The lively old town invites you to stroll, shop, and enjoy. This welcoming town also have picturesque half-timbered buildings. I can tell that the streets are lined with sites that bear witness to the rich and exciting history of Sigmaringen. Since the town is quite small, it is easy to explore on foot. Sigmaringen's town center, with its pedestrian zone and numerous shopping and dining options, offers plenty of space for strolling and relaxing, but also for markets such as the weekly market, various flea markets, and other events. Whether shopping in the diverse shops, shopping at the weekly market, or ending the day in a cozy restaurant, Sigmaringen has a lot to offer. And what makes the shopping experience a particularly relaxing pleasure is the short distance in the city. The inner city parish of St. Johann is located on the northern edge of the old town at the foot of the castle, to which it is connected by a covered walkway. The building is decorated with delicate rocaille stucco work by Johann Jakob Schwarzmann in the choir and on the transept vault. Sigmaringen is best known for the imposing Sigmaringen Castle, which forms the centerpiece of the town on a rock outcrop above the banks of the river and which belongs to the descendants of the Hohenzollern dynasty. Reflected in the waters of the Danube at any time of the year, the fairy tale castle is a sought-after photo opportunity in southern Germany. Actually, the castle's location nestled within the city and its magnificent architecture influenced my decision to visit Sigmaringen. The imposing structure is an impressive example of how a medieval castle developed into a princely residence. Visitors can explore the castle on a regular hour-long guided tour of the interior with the precious furniture, porcelains, miniatures, clocks, precious tapestries, and paintings. I was actually curious how to get a perfect view of the castle. I discovered a vantage point. It actually requires a bit of a hike passing through the bridge. Climbing up to Aussichtspunkt Mühlberg, located directly opposite the castle, gives you a vantage point where you get a stunning view of the entire town and the imposing Hohenzollern castle, making the effort well worth it. So whether you're a nature enthusiast, a photography lover, or someone seeking peace and quiet, Sigmaringen offers a delightful escape. It's a place where you can disconnect from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with the nature's simple pleasures. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, cheers!